This started out as this car just needed a clutch. And it's so far past that right now. Now I'm doing this, slight rebuilds.
Coming into Vegas, we have a lot to prove on this event. We rebuilt the car basically from the ground up. It was sitting as basically just a chassis with nothing on it. So we have to come out here and try to prove what we've done to the car is effective and showcase the partners that we have on the car that have helped us with this build, that their products are great products to use. So the suspension package that we have on the car is the KW V3 two-way coilovers. We utilize some custom spring rates for this car. We're trying to optimize the balance of the car to make it the easiest to drive. That way we can extract the most potential out of the car as possible. So coming into Vegas, we rebuilt the motor with the help of Outfront Motorsports. We utilized their closed deck block with 1/2-inch head studs. We're also utilizing cams, valve train, everything else that kind of goes along with that, so that because the biggest thing with the turbo car is lag, and when you're on the racetrack, you want to go, go, go. So they were able to get 520 horsepower and just over 430 foot-pounds of torque out of the engine package, utilizing a full race twin scroll manifold with a Garrett GTX 3076 Turbo Gen 2. With that package, we were able to extend the RPMs to 8,000, which gave us a huge power band for this car, which is typically not the case. It's just super gratifying when you're able to get everything done, that all the hard work that you put into, and then get to the track and everything works. And you don't have any issues or very small issues, and you get the performance out of the car that you hoped for when you started the build.